In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can template your task in ClickUp. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, select one of the projects and select the task that you wish to make a template of. Let's have this task, for example. So this video would be very quick and easy. All you gotta do is go and hover your mouse right here on the options of the task. A drop-down menu should appear and you're gonna go here on templates. Now, what you're going to do is click on save as template. And once done, you're gonna add a template name. Then you can add tags and description. Then you can choose whether to share this with everyone, admins only, to yourself, and to members and admins. You also have the option to either publicly share this link, then import everything or customize the import items. And once done, simply click on Save Template. And that's it. You now have a templated task in ClickUp. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.